Welcome to the video. This is one way to make miniature celery with embroidery floss, copy paper, and faux snow. Materials are listed below. Several celery parts are made, including the stem plant, stalk bundle, ribs, slices, and dices. These could be used for mini displays with soups, salads, roast, juices, and snacks. With light green embroidery floss, cut 6 12-inch pieces. Keep one strand piece as a single set, knot 2 together at one end as a double set, and knot the remaining 3 together as a triple set. With glue on fingers, stiffen and straighten the 3 floss sets. When dry, paint light green, then cut into 3/4 inch rib pieces from each set. Use stylus and foam mat to gently crease the center lengthwise for the double and triple sets. To make a stalk bunch, glue 4 single pieces together at one end. Next, glue 4 double sets around the single set base. Then glue 4 triple sets around the base. For the leaves, paint both sides of copy paper light yellow-green. When dry, gently smooth with a paper towel. Use 6 oak leaf paper punch pieces. With green color pencil, draw leaf veins on 4 pieces front and back. With stylus and mat, gently curl the leaf edges. Glue 2 light color leaves to the top center. Glue remaining 4 around the top. Mix half a teaspoon of faux snowflakes with the green paints. When dry, glue around the paper leaves on branches and stalk bunches. Use the double and triple sets to make ribs and branches. Cut up the ribs to make dices and other pieces as displayed. For the slices, stiffen a 4-inch light green floss strand. When dry, roll it around a toothpick. Secure ends with clamps. Then paint the rolled floss light green. Let that dry. Gently slide off the floss from the toothpick. Cut roll in half lengthwise. Cut each piece in half for the mini slices. To make the celery spread fillings, mix white texture paint with a color paint until a desired consistency is reached. Try 3/4 texture to 1/4 paint, or try half and half. With toothpick, apply 2 applications inside the celery pieces, drying in between. Then apply a matte sealer on top of the spread fillings. To make mini raisins, cut 4-inch piece of red-purple embroidery floss. Glue stiffen the piece together, let dry. Then paint random patches of brown on each side. Make sure to let the purple show. Then gently twist the floss. Cut into bits 1/32 to 1/16 of an inch with a cutting knife or scissors. Shape with a toothpick if necessary. Glue raisins on top of your spread and fillings. To make the celery nut toppings, cut 2 8-inch pieces of floss in 2 light brown colors. Divide each strand in half so they are 3 thread pieces each. I've made my example in 4 inches. Join the 2 different colors together with a simple knot. Then make 8 to 12 more simple knots. Paint the knots with a matte sealer. When dry, cut knots from the floss for your mini nut toppings. Glue mini raisins to the top of the peanut butter or nut spread filling. Add a nut to the cream cheese filling spreads. Arrange on a platter with celery leaves and mini cherry tomatoes. To make a mini celery juice cup, cut a 1/2-inch piece from a clear straw. Cut green paper strips 7/16 by 2 inch. Punch a 1/4 inch circle from green paper. Use stylus to curl edges of a circle juice top. Roll the green paper strip around a toothpick. Check to make sure the roll fits inside the straw. Then glue the roll to itself. Glue circle on top of the roll, trim if necessary. Slip the straw piece cup over the juice roll. To make the ground for the celery stem piece, punch a 5/8-inch circle from cardstock. Glue dried, used T-bits on one side and press. When dry, Glue a celery stalk bunch to the top base vertically. Hold a minute or so until dry. I've also painted the celery base with a light white paint. There are many ways to display celery in miniatures, like in roast, soups, salads, juices, appetizers, or snacks. And you could always add several stem stalk bunches to your mini garden. I hope you like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.